So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're getting these emails that are telling you that you need to reset your Instagram password. Now, if you actually wanted to reset your password and you clicked on the forgot password option and it reset it and you got this email, then that's one thing. But if you did not do any of that, right? If you didn't try to reset your password or anything and you're getting these random emails, that can mean a couple of things. Number one, I've gotten these emails a lot of times and I usually just ignore them. So if you get this email, it's not a big deal. Just do not click on anything within this email. So if you get this pop-up, no matter if it is a secure email from Instagram, if it looks like it or if it isn't, do not click on any of the links here. Your best bet is to just, put it in spam or just delete it. That's what I've always done. Like I said, I've gotten these emails for years now and I always ignore them. Nothing's ever happened to my account, so you'll be fine. But if you get these emails constantly, then it might be better off for you to either change your password or just put these emails into some sort of I don't know, I wouldn't put them in spam every time because some of them might be real, but your best bet is to probably change your password. That way somebody isn't trying to go and, get your account banned via too many logins or something. Now, which is probably can't even happen. Now, another thing, this could also be a spam email that's like a bot that's affecting everybody. This was a email that a lot of people were getting like a couple of days ago, and it was just spam. It was kind of like a random data breach that happened within Instagram. Nobody's accounts were affected. Your account is totally fine. It could also be one of those things as well. So it may not be that big of a deal either in this particular situation as well. So that's kind of the main way to kind of do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.